So usually, uh, I'd be cooking and doing all sort of fun cooking YouTube stuff. But today I want to talk about the coronavirus a little bit. As it spreads, wider over the U.S. and they're taking measures on how to prevent. They're taking measures on what to do, what not to do. But what I want to talk to you about is I want to talk to you about the restaurant industry, as no one's really taking measures on like hospitality and the hospitality industry. Waiters, waitresses, dishwashers, busboys, owners, managers, providers. So, with school being out, everyone's staying at the house. What happened to the hospitality industry? What's going to happen, to the hundreds and thousands of hospitality workers? How are they going to get paid? How are they going to feed the family? Especially the waitresses, like they make money from tips and stuff. If no one's leaving the house, no one's going to restaurants, how are waitresses, waiters, busboys, bartenders, how are they gonna make money? How dishwashers, like cooks, chefs, and if you're a chef in a restaurant, what are you gonna do with the product on hand? That's the stuff they don't talk about on the internet. What are you gonna do with the product on hand? Who you gonna sell it to? So, I mean, this little video is just to put awareness that there's other industries out there hurting with this coronavirus. And we understand the importance of taking necessary precautions, because if someone comes in the restaurant, they could transfer the virus just by using the utensils. The waitress pick up the utensils, bring it to the kitchen, the dishwasher picks it up. So that's two person being in contact with that person. But at the same time, there is the fact that people are going out of jobs here. People are going out of jobs here. So this video is just to put awareness that the hospitality industry, restaurants, fast food chains, the guy on the street selling hot dogs, it's really hurting the restaurant industry, the hospitality industry. Everyone's concerned about the airline, but what about the little guy? But as always, just drop me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If you work in the hospitality industry, let me know how your restaurant's doing. Is it busy? It's slow? Is it extra slow? But Crazy Chef surviving the coronavirus, trying to take it easy, hoping they fix it before it fixes us. Blessings.